So the next strategy for comparing and ordering fractions is to compare based on 0, half, or 1 on a number line. So if I look at this problem and I say 5/8, and I'm trying to figure out if it's greater than or less than 2/6, the first number line, I'll think about where half is, and I will think about what's another name for half using 8s. So this will be 0/8, 4/8, and 8/8. So I have my 0, my half, and my 1 using the equivalent fractions based on the 8 denominator. And same thing down here for 6. I've got 0/6, my 6/6, which will be 1, and then my half is the same as 3/6. So if I plot these numbers on the number line, and I think about this is 4/8, so 5/8 would be somewhere in this general vicinity between 4/8 and 8/8. And then down here I've got 0/6 up to 3/6, so 2/6 would be here. I can see that based on my number lines, 5/8 is greater than half, and 2/6 is less than half. So 5/8 is greater than 2/6. Another example using the number lines. We could do 1/4 compared to 4/6. So this would be 0/4 and 4/4. I have my 1/2, which would be the same as 2/4. Then down here, I have 0/6 as 0, 6/6 as 1, and then for half, I can do 3/6. And then when I plot the 1/4, it's going to be somewhere between 1/4 and 2/4, or 0/4 and 1/4. 0/4 and 2/4, excuse me. And then down here, 3/6 to 6/6, 4 would be somewhere in here. So I can again see that 4/6 is greater than 1/2, 1/4 is less than 1/2, so 4/6 is the greater fraction. So if I have 3/8 and comparing that to 5/6, up here I would mark my ace, so 0/8 and 8/8 to start out with. Mark half and determine that half of 8 would be 4/8. Then down here, the same thing with 6s. Equivalent to 1 is 6/6. Equivalent to 0 is 0/6. Then equivalent to half would be 3/6. And here I can plot my 3/8. So here I have 0 to 4, 3 would be somewhere in here. And then over here I have 5/6, so between 3/6 and 6/6. 5/6 is greater than half versus 3/8 is less than half. So 5/6 is going to be the greater fraction. So this is benchmarking based on 0, half, and 1 on a number line. The next one gets a little trickier for students, but something that they can work on. So if I have 5/12, and I'm comparing that to 9/11. That's a little bit trickier because 11s don't have a clear half, but I can still use the number line to help us. So here I have 0/12. My half would be 6/12, and my whole is 12/12. I have 0, 0/11, 11/11, and then here's half. I don't have a clear-cut equivalent here, but I can think about half of 11 as like 5.5, so I can mark 5/11s here and 6/11s here to give myself some kind of landmarks to be able to plot these numbers. So here I have 0 to 6/12. My 5 is going to be somewhere here. And then over here I have 9 elevenths. That's going to be in between 6 elevenths and 11 elevenths. So I can see that 9 elevenths is closer to 1, and the 5 twelfths is less than half. So again, benchmarking on the number line. So 5 twelfths is less than 9 elevenths. So for the next lesson, we're going to look at unit fractions away from 1.